Now, ahead of the Punjab elections, the Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi has pitched for inducting Prashant Kishore into the party. Now, he reportedly made this pitch during his meeting with MLAs in Punjab and said that Prashant Kishore must be reassigned the responsibility for the 2022 elections. Now, this, of course, comes at the backdrop of Prashant Kishore very publicly saying that the Congress's downfall lies with not recognizing the fact that the BJP will remain in power for decades to come. Let me go across to my colleague, Amandeep, who's now joining us for more on this. Amandeep, voices from within the Congress once again asking for Prashant Kishore's induction, as a poll strategist for them for Punjab. Now, this obviously is quite contrary to what the senior leadership of the Congress party in New Delhi is thinking.
Well, exactly, Nupur. The point is that initially all the Punjab Congress MLAs and ministers opposed the induction of Prashant Kishore when Captain Amrinder Singh has given him the cabinet rank and in fact appointed him as a strategistic for the 2022 elections. But now again Harish Chaudhary proposed his name to Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi, and in fact Channi yesterday in the meeting floated and proposed the name of Prashant Kishore to all the MLAs to take their consent and view and feedback that either Prashant Kishore should hire for Punjab Assembly elections 2022 or not. But somewhere down the line, this is again the confidence shaking of Punjab Congress, just because all the MLAs and ministers initially opposed the name of Prashant Kishore, just because Captain appointed him for 2022 elections, and he was also facilitated by the cabinet rank during Captain's tenure. But that time, every single MLA opposed and questioned the appointment of Prashant Kishore, that why we are hiring Prashant Kishore for Assembly elections of 2022. Now again, Harish Chaudhary is proposing the name, Charanjit Singh Channi is inviting the feedback for the Prashant Kishore. Somewhere down the line, Congress is not at all confident, and in fact, Prashant Kishore himself conducted multiple surveys during the tenure of Captain Amrinder Singh as a Chief Minister, and he left and resigned from the Cabinet Ministry as well, and in fact, he left the Punjab. Right. He vacated the Punjab like anything. So now again, Congress is trying to induct Prashant Kishore as a election strategistic for 2022 elections. Something very surprising. Congress is not confident on their work that they can go to the people and asking for the vote the way they have done the work.
Leadership of the Congress party in Punjab and the Chief Minister, of course, who wants to re-induct him. But what are you hearing in terms of murmurs within the senior leadership? Is that something that they will consider at all?
Well, this is a big question. Either Prashant Kishore will be inducted for the Punjab Congress only, or the entire Congress party is going to hire for the upcoming 2022 elections in the 7 states. In fact, that is the big question. Either the Punjab Congress is only interested, or he is in talks with the Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra to plan the Congress political strategies in all the states, including Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Goa, everywhere. So this is the big question. Just because initially Prashant Kishore reveals that if he'll start planning the campaigns, that he will definitely do it for the entire party, not for the single state. But now single state is pushing the name of Prashant Kishore. But the point is that either Prashant Kishore will be limited to the Punjab, or he will be campaigning, he will be planning for all the states for the Congress party. This is a big question. And in fact, all of a sudden, why Harish Chaudhary, who has recently appointed as Punjab in charge of Congress affairs, he started pushing Prashant Kishore's name out of the blue. And in fact, that meeting was not called for the Prashant Kishore's discussion. That meeting was called just to intact all the MLAs so that they should not switch their loyalty from Congress party to Captain Amrinder Singh. But it was completely out of blue that Harish Chaudhary proposed the name of Prashant Kishore to be inducted in Punjab Congress for 2022. Exactly, there are so many questions need to be answered by the Congress party itself. Not only the Punjab, but High Command also. Yes, Nupur.
All right, stay with us, Amandeep. Mr. Sukhdev Singh now joins us on the phone line. Mr. Singh, good morning. Thank you very much for joining us. Mr. Singh, we are now learning that there is a considerable voice within the leadership of the Congress party in Punjab which wants Prashant Kishore back as the poll strategist. Why is that?
मैम देखो, मुझे तो इसके बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं है, ये ऐसी कोई बात है। अगर होगी तो ठीक है, प्रशांत किशोर बिग स्ट्रेटजिस्ट तो आते हैं तो उसमें बुरा भी क्या है, लेकिन ऐसी अभी कोई मेरे को ध्यान में बात नहीं है कि ऐसी कोई डिस्कशन में बात आई है या नहीं आई।
जी मिस्टर सिंह, हमें पता चल रहा है कि चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी जो है उन्होंने खुद उनका नाम प्रपोज किया मीटिंग में और उन्होंने कहा दैट वी मस्ट हैव हिम बैक बिकॉज ही इज द वन हु गाइडेड अस टू विक्ट्री इन 2014 एज वेल।
देखो मैम, वो जो मीटिंग थी वो एमएलए की थी, वो पंजाब के आगे कैसे जाना है उसके लिए थी। लेकिन मैं आपको जो मैंने पहले भी आपको बात की, मैं उसी को रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, आई वाज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ दैट मीटिंग। लेकिन ऐसी कोई डिस्कशन में आया या नहीं आया, मैं इसके बारे में नहीं आपको कंफर्म कर सकता, क्योंकि लेकिन अगर प्रशांत किशोर आते नहीं है तो इससे बुरा क्या है। हमारा 2017 का कंपेन भी उन्हीं ने चलाया था, और अगर 22 का चला लेंगे तो उसमें क्या है, स्ट्रेटजिस्ट, तो उसमें कोई बुरी बात नहीं। हर एक पार्टी अपने अपनी इलेक्शन को स्ट्रेटजी के जाने के लिए अपने बातें करती है, तो उसमें अगर हो भी जाए तो बुरा क्या है।